answering a question that I got in my DM. I stopped braiding long time. I almost always lose my front hair, even in knotless braids, and dandruff will only allow me to enjoy it for only 2 weeks. How do you keep your braids flake-free and clean for at least a month? To be honest, I never keep my braids in for a month. This is the first time that I really got small knotless braids. So let's see how long I will keep these in. What I mainly do to take care of my scalp and my hair is use a scalp oil or any other lightweight oil, an oil that will absorb quickly into your scalp, and just massage it in. Like a protective style is great, but you still need to take care of your scalp. So that is what I like to do. I like to use an oil every other day or every night, depending how my scalp feels. I've also washed my scalp. I've only washed my hair once. That was because I braided my hair in Ghana, and when the lady was done with my hair, she used a lot of spray on my hair and scalp, and I could really feel that my scalp was not feeling it. So when I came home, I washed my scalp because my scalp needs to be free. So even though I use an oil every day or every other day, like I said, it's a lightweight oil, so my scalp is not clogged up. So with a scalp oil, just take your time and apply the oil wherever it is needed. Whenever I feel that my scalp is in need of a wash, I will wash my hair. To add some moisture to the length of my hair, I will use a moisturizer, just a little bit. And this is how I keep my hair moisturized. So I don't apply the moisturizer on my scalp. I only apply an oil on my scalp, and I will use the moisturizer on the length of my hair. This is how I take care of my braids, take care of my scalp, and make sure it gets the needed attention that it needs.